Good morning, good morning, good night, good afternoon. We're on the job site again. We got the pump. We got the pump out and we're doing some exposed concrete. We've got like a nice little drain here. Been raining a little bit this morning, but it's all good. We've got a few of the old boys here. Alright, the enemy is here. The pump is ready. We're good to go. Yo, yo. Hey. Okay, she's in. We got Big Mitchy Brown, the concrete killer. But look, she's all in now. I screwed it all off. Justin helped me a little bit. But I did 95%, 98%. So it looks pretty good. Should be easy. We just got to stick trowel it now. Stick trowel that groove. The groove looks pretty good. Looks really good right now. A bit of a footpath up there and up there as well. Anyway, I'm gonna have something to eat. Chill out for a minute. I'm sweating up my tits, as they say. Been drinking lots of water, so I've been sweating a lot. Not that you can see me sweating. Anyway, boys are washing up the tools now. So I'm just going to chill out for a minute. Went to Taekwondo last night. It was pretty fun. Kicked guitar in the head once, but I didn't get that on film, but he got a nice little kick in the head for someone else. Nice little hook kick. I'll show you at the end of the video if you're interested in watching my Taekwondo escapades. Just wait till the end of the video. But we'll see what we can get happening today. Exposed concrete, so we've got to wash it off and stuff. And we're going to set up another bit over there as well, so. Alright, pump's packing up. Nancy's doing some maggoting. I'm going to set up the driveway, I think, so. Awesome. Simon's magging the other side up. Haven't ran the edge around yet, it's a bit wet still. Scrapping up the scraps. Bit extra. People have been asking me about the exposed. See it? It's all in here. All in the stone. Every little bit. Chunked out. Alright, it's 10 o'clock. Now, let's stick trowel it all off. Around the edge. Along there. Beautiful. Let's stick troweling through here. There's a big, you can see that big dip. Pattern. Looking good, looking good. Boys prepping over there. Can't wait. Simon's just sticking. Mitchie's getting the sugar ready.
Oh, sugar up.
Simon likes to use brown sugar.
Oh, Rory.
We got a bit of a rain cloud come. Hopefully it doesn't fuck us up. I've just been doing some edges. Huh? Simon's the stick trowel master. Watch and learn. Simon's been in the World Championships of stick troweling. He placed second, he got beaten by another guy. Only because someone put a chip in his stick trowel. So left scratches. Someone sabotaged him. But he won $5,000 for coming second. Pretty good, eh? Fuck, I love bullshitting. We've got the bobcat over here. The bobcat's doing all the work. He's a very quiet bobcat, this one, but he doesn't make much noise. He must have the air conditioner on. Oh, yeah, okay. Right. Radio headphones. Yeah, spray all the dip. This is the second load, isn't there? I thought that other bit that was drier. We've got the pump action out today. Ninja. Oh, what's that thing too, the go-kart? Yeah. Hey, just need more of that sun. Beam out on us. Alright. Just sugar the whole lot and she's good. Boys are still sand prepping over there. We're waiting for a bobcat. Bobcat's supposed to be coming. But it ain't coming yet. They nearly got it done. Alright. Alright, we messed it all up. Boxed it all up, put the plastic down. Good times. Just gotta tie it up now. And we've got a pump for this tomorrow too, so that's good. Awesome. Simon still hasn't sugared the whole lot yet. Did you sugar this bit yet? You did? Yeah. That bit over there to go. My bloody elbow's very sore. I might have to have an operation on my elbow, I think. Got a lot of chip bones in my elbow. And my arm doesn't. My arm's not going out straight at the moment. You can see it bent. Won't actually straighten out. Well, so it's been like that for about 2 weeks, so I've just been working around it. Alright, that little bit there, yep. Done. I think Gregory just rocked up. Alright, we got the next bit set up for tomorrow. There's some height pins. These are our height pins. We got the tape for the top, that's where our height is. One over there, one over there. They're everywhere. We just put a string line across and we found the height that way. It's pretty easy. We haven't washed off yet, we're still waiting to wash off. But this is all good to go for tomorrow. Alright. 12:30 and we're washing her off. Looking awesome. Beautiful. Just washing her off with the hose. Sometimes you gotta scrub and sometimes you don't. The ones you don't have to, it's the best. But you still have to get all the sand off though. Always that happens. It's 1 o'clock. And it's all done, yeah. We're just going to do the footpaths down the side, and that's it. That shit looks pretty good. Easy wash off. They all got thongs on. I use my gum boots. I don't like getting wet feet. Oh, Mitchie's showing off his calves. You Ty, get jealous? Look beautiful. Looks good. Alright guys, it's 1:15 and we're done. This one's done. This is ready to go. Mitch is going. Simon lands. See you boys. Thanks for the day, mate. Thank you. See you in the morning. Alright guys, that's me for the day. She's done. Bit of exposed. Bit of a setup. See you Lancey. Lancey's just packing the rest of the tools up. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Leave a comment, subscribe, and share one of my videos. Come on. Share the vibe. Get it all going. Alright, see you next time. See you tomorrow. Bye. And here's some of my taekwondo that I did last night. The night before. Anyway. It was actually last night. So, yeah. Enjoy. Or don't watch it all. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. But you can do that, right? What I would do is, as they're coming in, I just back kick them. Because I can't do a very good side kick. Don't do back kick. And when you do a back kick, what's this? Look, this foot. No, I'm going to show you how to do it first. This foot here aims for the back kick. And all you have to do is kick right beside this foot and you'll get the perfect. Don't come out here. And you come out like this. You sort of come straight out. Alright? And don't go on this either. Don't. And look. When you look, your power goes that way. If you actually go straight back, your power goes straight in. Alright? And look, you only have to turn, look, this much. Bang! You know what I mean? It's not like a big spin. It's just like a little turn. Okay.
You can see he doesn't need to have a fully straight leg either. He can do that in a very small space. So even if they rush in, you can still hop one up.
But you can go. Can.
That's still going to hurt.
Not so much. You felt one over there.
Yeah,
It hurt.
pretty good there.
Oh, good. You're tough. Don't go this way so much. Come in here. Just come like a horse.
So you see.
Oh, that was, see? That went really fast too, that was. Oh, nah. See, it's again, look. There again, you're like this again. In here. Keep it in here. Oh. See, it's a different one, eh? Oh, okay. Beside yourself here. Like you're rubbing your knees together, yeah. Yeah. That's better. Just hold it there, you tell the crew. Just let him give a good one. Show me a good one, Damien. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's like Damien. Look, your foot's going out here and then in. Just straight back. From where it is. Bang! That's it. Don't look. Yeah, that's it. Punch. Oh, that's fine.
Gotta be unanimous. There you go, come on, point. Oh, that was a clean one.
Oh.
One time, that's it.
Yeah. Oh, guard your head. Guard your head. Yeah, that's a nice point.
Very clean point.
Very good.
And she's up. You ready, Jordan? You gotta find your counter.
1 point to the end.
Counter. He's gonna rush you at 1 point.
Oh, nice.
It
Sorry.
wasn't quite clean.
Nah.
Slipped off. Easy rushes in back.
Oh!
Yeah, good flip.
Was that a hook kick?
Yeah, that was a really short end.